name is Laura D. Hurd, and this is my new book, Divorce and Estate Planning in Texas, How to Plan Ahead for the Unexpected and Save Your Family's Future. I have been practicing law in San Antonio, Texas since 1987, and over the past more than 3 decades, I've learned that most attorneys who do probate law don't do family law, and most that do family law don't do probate law. They don't even practice in the same courts, but I do. And there is a lot of overlap because after all, they're both about dividing up community property and dividing up debts and assets in the relationships of families. And so in the process, I have learned many things that are very applicable to everyday life for most people. You know, you never know when something might happen and you might pass away unexpectedly. And planning ahead makes all the difference for the loved ones that you leave behind as far as how much hassle and money and heartbreak they have over the division of your estate and what you leave behind. In this book, I talk about many different things that are practical, such as the division of debts and assets on divorce and the child support and child custody in Texas, estate planning documents that every married couple should have, and how to deal with blended families, as well as the impact of divorce on estate planning documents. We talk about wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and life insurance, and what a divorce would do to those things. And we talk about the dilemma of securing digital assets. Do you have in your will something about the passwords to your online accounts? How will they get in touch with your online banking accounts after you're gone? How can they get into your lock screen on your phone? And do you have social media accounts that you'd like to have shut down after you're gone? We also talk about what happens if you fail to plan, and also the things you should do that don't involve a lawyer. And then, of course, when you should talk to a lawyer. There's a glossary of terms in the back that deals with complicated terms that most people don't use in everyday language, such as letters testamentary, inter vivos trusts, and muniments of title. Those words are defined for you in the back, but the book itself is written in language that everyday people can understand, and it is available on Amazon. I hope that you'll check it out and go to the link below and get the digital copy. After you've read the book, please go on my website and see, leave me a message and tell me what you thought about it. I'm Laura D. Hurd.